Hi guys, welcome back to Tired Format and welcome back to my messy office. Today should be a nice quick one. I just wanted to show you what it was like fitting an armrest to my new car, my VW Up GTI. There's quite a few people online that bemoan the lack of an armrest, but luckily Volkswagen / SKoda have the answer. There's a retrofit kit, which is a dealer retrofit armrest. It's really good quality, very sturdy. And if you buy the Skoda one, it's slightly cheaper, even though it's exactly the same as the Volkswagen one as far as I'm concerned. So I've just got the instructions out here just to show you, give you an idea of the process. So I'll put some pictures up on the screen of this, but essentially you get an armrest, a load of new fixings, bracketry, etc. You do need to cut some original trim, which is a bit scary, and drill some holes in it, but all of that is hidden by the new armrest. So if you're not very neat, it's not actually an issue. Yeah, so the armrest in question, so it says here for things you need to use, it's yes, you need a screwdriver, a Phillips head sort of screwdriver, a 4mm Allen key, a 13mm socket, some sort of cutting implement. I would recommend a sharp Stanley blade myself, a drill obviously with a couple of drill bits. It says 6 and 9mm, but I got away with just using 6.5 because it's the biggest that's in my Makita box. And yeah, that's it really. So what I'll do is I'll show you what I did, and I'll try and talk over it and show you what I think I should have done where I made some mistakes. But having said that, it's fitted and it looks great, spoiler alert. So yeah, this is just a quick video to run through how I fitted it, how easy it was and everything like that. But to be honest with you, if you bought one of these already, there's a really good sort of IKEA spec instruction sheet in there. There is a, you have to cut out here a template for cutting the back of the old center console, but yeah, pretty easy. Just watch me do it. Right then, so the instructions. Fit this like that. And then I got a mark. This up should be pretty.